Hello Barca fanas, welcome back to channel. This magnificent stadium, with its impressive structure and rapid development, looks more spectacular every day. Today, we're taking you inside Camp Nou to show you stunning, never-before-seen details. Stay with us and see how Camp Nou is transforming into one of the most breathtaking stadiums in the world. Every section, every corner, showing progress that is truly awe-inspiring. Make sure to stay with us to catch all the latest updates from Camp Nou and witness every detail in full. We head to the Gol Sur area, buzzing with activity. Though some work is paused due to rain, white beams are being painted steadily in the background, a clear sign that work continues even when progress seems subtle. Inside, future elevator areas are coming together. Almost everything is in place except for a single support on the left. A minor pause in an otherwise smooth process. Camp Nou is evolving into something truly spectacular. The crane is back in action, ready to lift new llamas in the corner area where work had paused. Camp Nou's corner sections are shaping up beautifully, gradually revealing the stadium's impressive form. In front of the lateral area, the parking ramp has been concreted and leveled. While it may look like a pause, these preparations are critical. Camp Nou is steadily progressing, revealing its monumental scale. The central lateral area has several llamas staged for hanging. This careful staging ensures that once work resumes fully, installation will move efficiently. To the left, another pillar awaits lifting, still missing its yellow structures. Even though the work is slow, the structure is shaping up beautifully, and significant progress is expected over the weekend. Upper levels are busy with boxes and pallets ready for installation. Even in calm spots, the stadium is steadily advancing, giving a glimpse of the architectural beauty soon to dominate this iconic site. Finally, the Gol Norte hill offers a breathtaking view. Camp Nou may appear paused in some areas, but in reality, every corner is slowly taking shape, building toward a stadium that will be spectacular. On the left, an elevated platform is working alongside a crane lifting structural pieces. In the corner area, many anchors and supports are already in place, though a few remain to be installed on the left. The section shows a noticeable inclination, revealing how the structure gradually rises. Precision in this part of Gol Norte indicates meticulous ongoing construction. Facing Gol Norte, new prefabricated stands are staged for lifting via the tower crane. Supports for llamas are prepped below, while black beams still await connections. Even with fewer visible workers, quiet progress continues. Huge chrome tubes are being installed across the corner near the stands. Many more remain stacked, ready for placement. This section, full of prefabricated elements and glass panels, the stand shop area is currently calm, but elevated platforms and machinery are in place for ongoing work. Panels, brackets, and removed balcony boards indicate preparation for future installations. In the diamond area, large ventilation pieces and other materials are staged outside, while glass panels are stacked inside. The team is prepared to install these quickly once work resumes. In the remaining corner area, green pieces are staged for future lifts, and partial glass panel supports are already in place near the pallets. Minimal visible activity does not mean a pause. Progress continues methodically, section by section. This concludes today's update. Some areas are quieter after match day preparations, but construction momentum is ongoing. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more exclusive Camp Nou progress.